If you are a parent with toddler, you know that they love to play bubbles, but what they like even more is to dump the bubble water on the ground. If you hand them a bottle of bubble water and trust them, I guarantee you, in 10 seconds, those water is going to be end up on the ground. So here I'm going to share with you a little trick I have learned over the years and another little creative ideas I have developed by myself. Here we go. This is the first idea. If you have a long bubble water, you can use zip tie to tie it on a tree trunk or a chair or a table, anything stable that the babies, they cannot lift it up and dump it. So usually this bottle of bubble water lasts probably like a minute or so. But now because I have tied it on the bottom of the trampoline, so it actually lasted for a month and I still have so much. Okay, another thing I want to share with you is this type of a bubble pen. It's very thin, shallow, and you usually you put them on the ground or on the table, and you use this a bigger bubble wand to blow like huge bubbles. And the toddlers, they also love to lift it up and dump everything on the ground. And you end up spending so much money buying the bubble water and with frustration. In order to address this, I went back to my drawing board. And I think I created something quite useful. Let me show it to you. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's have it tested. This is my bubble water pen. And what I did was I created a pin similar to when you go camping. You would have a pin to stick down your tent. Something similar to that. And I took some inspiration from this. That's the garden hose, garden drip line pen. So my idea is that with any of the bubble water pen, you can have this little hook to hook it down and pin it in the grassland, if you have grassland, to play the bubble water. And I have 3 or 4 of them on each of the side. I printed 3 actually, so I'm having 3. If you want to have more, be more secure, you can put more, and then just insert it in the grassland, so this way the toddler wouldn't pull them up and just dump off the water. And I did look at the 2 bubble water pen I have in my house. They are about at the similar height, so I think this should be quite universal. Let's try it out. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention. I want to mention that when I created this pen, at the beginning, I was only thinking to create a little hook, and I will leave a hole right here, and you can use your tent pin to pin it down, use your foot. But then I was trying to look for the tent pin at my home. I couldn't find it. So I was like, why should I create 2 pieces? And people could easily lose one of them. So I'm just making 1 piece. So if you lose it, you just lose all of it. You just get another one of this. So the reason I created like this shape, L shape, in this way is because I was thinking how to 3D print it in the best way, the most effective way, and the most economic way. You know that when you print parts with 3D printer, 3D printer will create the support for any of the overhand parts. So now instead of a cross, I'm only created half of the cross, basically a section of the cross. It still gives its rigidity and the support, the strong structure of this pin, so you can push it down. And also you can tell that I tapered a little bit to make it help it easy to go down in the dirt. I did put the radius, like fillets, radius, or whatever you call it, in all the small corners. So this is not just for the style, but also for the structure. With the fillets, it's more stronger. First of all, you want to find a relatively flat area. If somewhere is not flat, I think that you can put some little rocks to prop it up. And this one I used the last time. I used it before. I'm just going to reuse it. Put it in the grass. Have this side clamped on. And for the other 3 sides, so you probably have to adjust a little bit. I think this is fine. Actually, you know what? If it's uneven, you could use this to adjust the height of the either side. Yeah.
Oh, look, quick!
Oh, look.
No, Mama, you're gonna miss it.
Wait, look. He's trying to pull it up and he couldn't. Did you see what happened?
No.
He was trying to lift it up and try to pull everything and he couldn't. Haha. It worked.
Mama, look.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these big bubbles. Wait, let me. Oh,
Yeah.
it's the ground.
Yeah, it sticks them to the ground.
Oh, this is a bubble.
Look, he's trying again. He was trying again, but he couldn't do it. Well, looks like my design has gone through the testing and my bubble water totally survived through a toddler. So if you are a parent with toddler and you are experiencing the same exact issue and you like to get a pair or like 3 or 4 these kind of pins, please look at the information down below or the link. I'm gonna try to list my product for sale. Keep in mind that I created this by myself. It's my own creative idea. It's not existing anywhere else. So if you find something similar, it's either someone else have the same genius idea or they copy me. All right, until next time, bye.